Welcome to Maths class children. In the previous class we have completed our 4.3 exercise where we have learned expanded form of multiplication and very simple form of multiplication where you have zeros and how to do them. Yes, and in today's class we are going to start with your 4.4 exercise. Yes, which are story problems. In this exercise you have all word problems. So we will solve today story problems in our class. Okay, so listen carefully children. All the story problems will be little same only. Yes, only few changes will be done. Okay, but you have to read the question. You have to understand about what they are speaking in the question. Yes, so here you can check in your term book. You can open your page number 147 and open your class work also. Yes, where you have to do the problems. Yes, so today open your page in 147. You have first problem as there is 1350 kgs of food material in one container. How many kgs of food will 375 such containers contain? So here in one big container 1350 kgs of food is there. Some food material is there. Yes, so they are asking in one container 1350 kgs of material is there. Like that, if you have 375 containers, so how many kgs of food is food you will have, food material you will have with you, they are asking. So here the first solution, number of kgs one container has. Number of kgs one container has. One container is having 1350 kgs. Number of kgs 375 containers hold. How many? So now what you have to do? See, one container is having 1350 kgs of material. Now 375 containers, how much food they will have? So now you have to multiply that. 1350 kgs will be multiplied with 375 containers. Okay, so if you see it is a 3-digit multiplication. Okay, so the multiplier here we have are of 3 digits. So you have to be little careful. So you will get carries also here. So as soon as you get the carry, you strike it off to avoid confusion. Okay, so 5 zeros are 0 here. 5 5s are 25. So 5 we will write here, 2 on the next number. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So 7 is here, 1 is here again. Now 5 1s are 5 plus 1. So 6 here. Okay. So multiplying with one number is finished. So one's place is finished. So one's place which we will not have in the next number. Now we will move on to the tens place. Now 7 zeros are 0. 7 5s are 35. So 5 here. 3 is carried up. So 7 3s are 21 plus 3, 24. So 2 is here and 4 is down. Now 7 1s are 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. So multiplying with the tens place number is finished. Now we don't want for going with the, when you are multiplying with the 100 place number, so you will start your answer with 100 place only. So tens place and ones place is not required, so strike it off. Okay, now 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, so carry 1, 3 3s are 9, plus 1, 10, so 0, 1 is carried again, 3 1s are 3, plus 1, so 4. Okay, So like this you got your multiplication. Now you add all these numbers. Now you have to add all these numbers. So 0, nothing you have done. So take 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5. So it is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 is carried up and 2 is down. Now 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus again 6. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So 1 is up and 6 is down. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 up, 1 is down. Sorry, 0 is down, 1 is up. So 4 plus 1 it is again 5. So how much you got here? 5 lakhs 6,250. So how much you got here? 5 lakhs 6,250. Yes, how many kgs you will have? So write the conclusion line. What is your conclusion line? Therefore 375 containers or else 5 lakhs 6,250 kgs of food material kgs of food material $375 can be filled in 375 containers. Five lakh 6,250 kgs of food material you will be there in 375 containers. Okay. So this is about your first one. The one textbook cost 186 rupees. What is the cost of 2,330 copies of the books? So for one book they are saying you have 186 rupees. For the 2,330 books you have how much money it will be they are asking. Okay. Third one, amount for one book 186. Amount for 2,330 books. Now this both you have to multiply. 2,330 will be multiplied with 186. Okay. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 threes are 18. So 8 down, 1 is up. Again 6 threes are 18 plus 1, 19. So 9 down, 1 is up. Now 6 twos are 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 it is 13. Okay. So one's place number over. Now 8 zeros are 0. 8 threes are 24. So 2 is up, 4 is down. Again 8 threes are 24. So 24 plus 2, 26. So 6 is down, 2 is up. 8 twos are 16 plus 2, 18. So down here. Now 1 is multiplied with all the numbers. So you will get same number 0, 3, 3, 2. Okay. Now you have to add all this. So 0 directly. 8 plus 0, 8. 9 plus 4. How much 9 plus 4? It is 3, 13, 3 down, 1 is up. Then 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, plus 1, 13. So 1 is up, 3 down, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11, plus 1, 12, plus 1, 13. So 1 is up, 3 down, then 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1 it is 4. Okay, so how much you got here? 4,33,380. So how much cost, how much money for 2,330 books? That is 4,33,380. So write the conclusion line, rupees 4,33,380 is the cost of 2,330 books. Okay, so this is about your third one, and after this you have fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and we have many problems like this only, but I will give you two as homework. Fourth one and fifth one, they both are same like this third one only. Okay, try to do your fourth and fifth. So exercise number 4.4, third problem, fourth one and fifth one. Try to do it. They are very easy, same like your third one. Okay, I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.